How can you get the UAE United Arab Emirates Golden Visa using crypto? In July 2025, the UAE government put an end of months of online speculations with a clear message. Cryptocurrency holding do not qualify for a UAE golden visa. Owning Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other digital asset, regardless of value, does not make an investor eligible for long-term residency. That clarification appeared decisive. The UAE Belcom crypto regulates it tightly and does not tax individual crypto gains. What when it comes to residency, crypto alone does not open the golden visa door. However, the situation is more nuanced than it first appears, especially when real estate enter the picture. Crypto is excluded, property is not. While crypto assets are excluded as a standalone eligibility category, real estate remains one of the most stabilized golden visa route. Under the property pathway, applicants must own one or more properties with a combined value of at least AED 2 million. Ownership must be officially registered within the relevant land authority. In Dubai case, the Dubai Land Department DLD and supported by a current valuation certificate, immigration authorities assess the official valuation, not merely the purchase price. Circularly, the Golden Visa Framework evaluate what you legally own, not how you paid for it. The distinctions matter because the UAE now permits property purchasing using cryptocurrency, raising a practical question for investors. If crypto can be used to buy qualifying properties, can that property support a golden visa application? What the July 2025 clarification actually said. The July clarification followed false online claiming suggesting that crypto holders could directly secure golden visa. These claims gained traction after July 6 post alleged the Ton coins holder use obtained 10 years registration for a fixed. Dubai Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority (VARA) along the federal authorities swiftly reject the claim stating that virtual asset holding have no link to golden visa eligibility. Authority warned the public to rely only on official government channels. Importantly, the clarification addressed residency eligibility, not real estate law. It ruled out crypto as a qualifying asset. What did not state that property purchased using crypto would be disqualified? Buying property in Dubai using crypto is already legal. Dubai already allows real estate transactions funded by cryptocurrency, provided they are executed through licensed compliance platform. Major developers such as Emaar, DAMSC, and Nakhil accept digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and USDC for selected projects. Both ready and offline properties can be purchased this way. This transaction remains fully regulated. The Dubai Land Department oversees registration, title, leads the valuations. VARA licensed crypto platform and enforce AML and KYC norms. In July 2025, the DLG even signed a strategic agreement with Crypto.com to expand digital settlement and property tokenization, aligned with Dubai's real estate strategy 2033, where tokenization fits and where it doesn't. Tokenized real estate allow investors to buy fractional ownership through blockchain-based tokens, sometimes starting with investment as low as AED 2000. Dubai first fully tokenized property, a business way apartment valued at AED 2.4 million, sold out within 24 hours in May 2025, drawing investors from over 40 countries. But when it comes to golden visa, fractional exposure does not count. Residency authorities recognize legal ownership, not fragmented interest. Holding a small tokenized fraction across multiple properties does not qualify unless those holdings can be consolidated into a single registered title did worth at least AED 2 million under one applicant. What actually determines golden visa eligibility? This is a very important topic. For a crypto funded golden purchase to potentially support a golden visa applications, several conditions must be met simultaneously. First, legal ownership registered within the Dubai Land Department (DLD). Second, a current DLD valuation certificate of AED 2 million or more. Third, full AML and KYC compliances via VARA licensed platforms. Fourth and last, a standard residency documentation including proof of residence. In If these conditions are satisfied, authorities assess the property, not the payment method. At the point, crypto becomes merely a regulated medium of exchange, not a qualifying asset. Final approval, as always, remains subject to nomination and regulatory discretions. A critical caveat for Indian investors: foreign rules do not override domestic laws. For Indian resident crypto-funded overseas property purchase raise additional risks. Under India's regulatory framework, cross-border crypto transfer may violated FEMA. Disclosed foreign properties can trigger black money laws. Third, offshore rental income remains taxable in India. Fourth, crypto transactions face heightened scrutiny and taxations. Failing to route funded through approval channels or disclose asset properly can invite seriously legal consequences. Crypto itself does not qualify for a UAE golden visa, and the government has been unequivocal on that point. But property does. Even if it was purchased using cryptocurrency, provided all legal valuation and compliance requirements are met. Thanks for watching this video. Stay connected for more information.